Hey everyone and welcome back to Sudama Lab. Microsoft has just released a new Windows 11 Insider Preview build 2637965 in-depth channel. And this update introduces several interesting improvements, hidden features, and important fixes. In this video I'll walk you through all the new features, UI changes and improvements included in Windows 11 26H2, so you know exactly what Microsoft is working on the next. So if you love staying updated with the latest Windows 11 features and insider builds, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the future updates. Now let's get started. One of the most important changes in this build is the return of the administrator protection. Microsoft is reintroducing the security feature to protect the administrator account by limiting pre-uploading administrative privileges. What this means is that administrator will still be able to perform administrative tasks, but only with just-in-time elevated permissions, making the system more secure. Currently, this feature is disabled by default, but advanced users can enable it through the group policy editor. Microsoft's also experimenting with small UI improvements related to drag tree features. Previously, when you drag files near the top of the screen, a larger pop-up preview would appear, which sometimes trigger accidentally. Now, Microsoft is testing a small preview window, making it less intrusive and easier to dismiss. If you don't like this feature, you can disable it easily. Just go to Settings, then System, then scroll, go to Nearby Sharing, then toggle up Drag Try option. Once disabled, the pop-up preview will no longer appear when dragging files. Another interesting improvement appears in the File Explorer. Now when you're renaming a file or folder, you can press WinKey+H. This will activate voice typing, allowing you to rename your files using your voice. This may sound like a small change, but it could be very useful for accessibility and faster file management. Another small visual improvement appears in the Settings app. If you go to Settings, then Accounts, then Other User, and try to change an account name, you'll notice the dialog box has been redesigned. It now follows the modern Windows 11 design language, making the interface look cleaner and more consistent. This update also brings several fixes to the File Explorer. First, Microsoft has removed annoying word flashing issues that sometimes appear when opening new File Explorer windows or tabs. This problem mostly occurred when the File Explorer was set to open to this PC. Microsoft has also fixed the word flashes that appear while resizing File Explorer elements. In addition, they improved the reliability of unlocking download files, making it easier to preview files that come from internet. Now you might be wondering, how do I know this build brings to Windows 11 26H2? You can actually verify it yourself. Simply go to Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History, and scroll down to Uninstall Updates. And there will see a feature entry-leveled feature enablement for Windows 11 26H2 Insider Refresh. This confirms that Microsoft is already preparing for the next major Windows update. However, keep in mind that these preview builds are still based on 24H2 and 25H2 code, so things may change before the final release. So that's everything new Windows 11 Insider Preview build 2637965 for the channel. Microsoft continues to refine Windows 11 with new security improvements, UI changes, hidden features, and bug fixes. And we'll likely see even more updates in upcoming builds. If you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Sudama Lab, and turn notification on so you don't miss next future updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.